This is a demonstration of the switch. See, we have a motor lead going to the jumpers connected to the leads on the multimeter. Turn the switch on. Look, basically 0 voltage. Switch on. 118 volts. Reverse the switch. Same voltage. Fun Web Surfer sold me a machine. He said it was brand new. It was actually a return. It was previously set up, and the motor was bad. We agreed on a motor. He was going to send me a new motor because the motor in this is bad. Here's the motor right here. Our electrician took it out because it doesn't work. He was giving me trouble on the partial refund. The price it's going to take me to have this machine fixed. So I gave him a little price break and told him throw in a control switch. So he tells me he shipped the motor and the control switch. I get this tracking number for a little tiny first class package. It's supposed to be a 40-pound motor in it. I message him and I ask him, hey, where's the motor? He says, oh, it's just the switch. I already paid $50 to have this motor tested. The motor is bad. My electrician was holding it with his hand when it was energized. That's how weak it is. And now he wants to, after our agreement, you want to not send me the motor. I'm sick of this. I'm fed up. I didn't go through all that for nothing. I'm getting ready to tell you, just take this one back and send me a new one. I want the new one first, though. I want the new machine first. Either that or I'm calling Chase. I'm sick of this.